Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Today we will discuss the back exercise of chapter 21, the story of fire. Before starting the back exercise, let's have a quick revision of what we studied in the previous class. Children, we studied about the discovery of fire, that how fire was discovered by the early human being. It was an accident. There are only assumptions that by the striking of two stones they created fire. Then before the discovery of fire, the early men, they used to live like animals in the forest, and they used to move from one place to another in search of food. They mostly used to hunt animal and ate raw flesh. Then how the discovery of fire changed the human being's life to cover their body. Now the discovery of fire, it was an accident. They might have or there are chances that by the striking of two flint stones they created or they discovered fire by chance. Maybe some spark by striking the stone, it may have fallen on dried leaves and the leaves must have got fire. So these are only assumptions. Now the discovery of fire helped man in many ways. They were able to caught or to hunt during night. They protected themselves. Now in today's world we are also using or we can't think of our life without fire. There are many uses of fire in our day-to-day life. Like fire is used for cooking, it is used to melt iron in the iron industries, to bake bricks. These bricks are used to construct houses, to produce energy. Many machines and engines, they are running on this fire energy. This fire energy, it is produced by coal, then petroleum, CNG, kerosene oil, etc. Now it is like fire is very important for us and we can't think of our life without fire. On the other hand, it is dangerous too. If we do not use it carefully, it can cause serious accidents and loss of property and life. So we should always keep some precautions in mind while using fire. Precautions like we should not play with matchsticks or crackers because it can be dangerous. Then we should not wear synthetic clothes near fire. Whenever your mother is working or whenever you are working in kitchen, always wear cotton clothes because these synthetic clothes, they are made up of synthetic fibers plus chemicals. So they can catch fire very easily and they can damage your skin also. Then when the gas stove is not in use, we must switch off the gas regulators, or whenever you are leaving your home, you are moving somewhere out, always switch off the gas regulators and other electric appliances also. Then we should put out fire when not in use. So these are some of the precautions which you should keep in mind whenever you are handling fire. Now let's move to the back exercise of the chapter. First is tick the correct answer. First question is, early men lived like a and dash in the forest. You know that early men, they used to live like animals in the forest. They used to roam from one place to another in search of food. Second is the early humans were afraid of dash. The early humans were afraid of fire, and because of this they worshipped fire. Third is fire was produced when two pieces of dash were rubbed. There are assumptions that by the striking or rubbing of two stones, fire was produced. So the correct is C, stone. Fourth is burning of dash produces energy. Burning of coal produces energy. It is one of the source of fire energy. Fifth is never wear dash clothes near fire. So in the precautions we have studied or discussed that we should not wear synthetic clothes near fire, because synthetic clothes, they are made up of synthetic fibers, and because of this they catch fire very easily. Let's move to the next question. The second is state whether true or false. Early man lived like animals in the jungle. This is true. Early human beings, they lived like animals. They used to eat raw meat and hunt animals and wear skin of the animals to protect their body. So this one is true. Then the second is early man knew how to cook food from the very beginning. No, this is false, because early men, उन्हें नहीं पता था कि खाना कैसे कुक करना है, and because of this only they used to eat raw flesh of animals and roam from one place to another in search of food. So this is false. Now the third is early man learned to start fire by rubbing two stones. We have already discussed in the chapter that by the striking of two flint stones, this is only assumption कि by the striking of two flint stone, fire was discovered by the early human being. So this is true. Now move to the fourth one. Discovery of fire made early men's life difficult. False. क्योंकि discovery of fire was the biggest achievement of mankind, and it helped them to cook their food, to protect them, and this made their life easy. So fourth is false. Now move to the fifth one. Fire kept early men warm in cold weather. This is true. They protected themselves by the animals, and it kept their body warm in cold weather. Let's move to the fill in the blanks. First is early man produced fire by striking two flint stones. Second is early man ate raw food because they don't know how to cook their food. Third is playing with dash sticks or dash can be dangerous. Playing with matchsticks or crackers can be dangerous. Fourth is man started using coal, natural gas and dash oil to light fire, kerosene oil to lit fire. Fifth is fire has become the greatest dash for mankind, greatest achievement for mankind, and the discovery of fire, it helped the early human being to survive in the forest. Let's move to the short question answer of the chapter. First is, why did early man roam from place to place? So, as discussed, early men roamed from place to place in search of food because उनको नहीं पता था कि खाना कैसे बनाना है, और जब एक प्लेस पे उनका फूड ख़त्म हो जाता था तो they used to move to another place in search of food. Second is, how did early man discover fire? There are assumptions that by the striking of two flint stone, early man discovered fire because they used to hunt animals with stone tools. Then later, maybe some spark, it felt on fire, and by chance a few of those sparks fell on dried leaves, and the leaves might have caught fire. So by this they discovered fire, and it was the greatest achievement for the mankind. What was early man afraid of? The early man was afraid of fire, and because of this they worshipped fire. उनको लगता था कि फायर उनको हार्म कर सकता है, उनको जला सकता है. They might have seen some of the animals died because of the jungle fire, so they were afraid of fire. Let's move to the detailed question answer. The first is, write the uses of fire in our life. Children, we can't think of our life without fire. Fire is used for cooking food. It is used in many of the industries like iron industries, glass industries. It is used to bake bricks. These bricks are used for the construction of houses. It is used to produce energy. Then many of the machines, they are running on fire. Now the second is, write 3 precautions to be followed while handling fire. As we have discussed that fire can be dangerous too if not taken or if not used carefully. So some of the precautions which you should always keep in your mind are, should not play with the fire. Playing with matchsticks or crackers can be dangerous. We should not go near fire, especially when we are wearing synthetic clothes, because synthetic clothes which are made up of synthetic fibers, and these synthetic fibers, they are the mixture of chemicals and fibers, they catch fire very easily. So we should always avoid using or wearing synthetic clothes near fiber. When the gas stove is not in use, we must switch off the gas regulator, or whenever you are moving out of the house, always turn off the gas regulator. Then we should put out fire when not in use. जब भी fire का use नहीं है, आप उसको बंद कर दीजिए. So these are some of the precautions which you can keep in your mind. Then the third question is, why should we not wear synthetic clothes while dealing with fire? So children, as discussed earlier, synthetic fibers, they are made up of chemicals and fibers which catches fire very easily. That's why one should not wear synthetic clothes while handling fire, because it can result in serious accidents and it can damage your body too. So this is the reason why we should not wear synthetic clothes. I hope the chapter and the question answer and back exercise is clear to you now. Now children, do back exercise, that is, tick the correct answer, true, false, and fill in the blanks in your book. Thank you, children.